If you saw the Binatone Route C6 Mk1 revisited video, you'll note that we changed 3 capacitors because I was unhappy with the AGC performance of the audio. It's always harsh on these sets, but it was, to my ears, unacceptably harsh. So that's why we revisited it. I felt one of the capacitors was leaky. It's had 3 changed. And there we go. So we didn't publish the on the air test from last time because I wasn't satisfied with it. So we're doing a new on the air test with that those capacitor changes having taken place. So this is the Mk1 version with the PLL02A chip. You'll normally encounter the Mk2 version, which is easy to set up. The performance is the same, the radio is the same, it's just the way the channels are generated. So there we go. Right, so we'll see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21 test. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy? Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy? Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy? Oh, Roger, right. I've been. I said go to channel 32. You must have missed that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. I'm now ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger.
Right, we're now on the extension speaker. Somebody else on 31, so I thought we'll knock it up a channel.
Alright, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio with no tone control.
Roger that.
Tell you what radio this is, just so you know, because these have harsh AGC action usually. This is the Binatone Route 66, which I've had to change some capacitors on over.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane, and yeah, it's still a bit AGC, but not as bad as it was.
Exactly, so it was cutting out, I think it was over deviating on the peaks over.
Roger that.
So it was cutting out, I think it was over deviating on the peaks over. Roger that.
Service station 133.9, 142.9.
Roger, diddly dodger.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, you're going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I've got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a... Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I've got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a what?
Well, Mark 1 Binatone Route 66. And I'm on a standard replacement line for 36. Full 4 watt output, over.
Roger that, all received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. Come on to Binatone Route 66 Mark 1. I'm on standard replacement might be ready to deliver full 4 watt output. And it's drawing just over 1 amp. Going to go to low power being set to 400 milliwatts. And here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we're on 5 400 milliwatts. Ready is now drawing 550 milliamps. Going to go back into full power. And there we are back into full power, over.
Roger that, no problems on full power. Obviously noisy on low power, but still legible.
Roger on that, and off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Right, we're in the queue for the level crossing, but the queue's that long I can't even see the level crossing to see if it is closed or not.
Right, well, there's going to be a bit of editing there then.
Yeah, roger that. Chap in the car behind me is retying his bow tie.
Look at me!
He's in a battered old Suzuki Rhino or a Jimny or something there.
He could be gatekeeper to the gents' toilet.
Yeah. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 138.9, 144.7.
Well done, that's what kind of train was it?
Just ordinary one.
Well done, that one works as quick, thanks very much.
Yep.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. You might tell me what kind of train went across and the petrol price at that end, please. Over.
Yep, 138.9, 144.7.
Roger on that, and what kind of train was it?
Just ordinary one.
Roger on that, that works a treat. Thanks very much. 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Right, I better go to the base station and make sure I put the base station on channel 32. I think we've got a factory original mic for this. Well, perhaps we haven't. Right. 21, testing the Binatone Route 66 Mark 1 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a standard replacement mic. Tomorrow we will be doing a Midland 2001 Precision series for a customer. Thank you for watching.